Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're doing a quick review of the Stockity trading platform and what you should know before using it. So let's dive in. So what is Stockity? Stockity is an online trading platform that offers CFD trading and fixed time trading on assets like stocks, indices, commodities, and currencies. It's operated by a company based in the Marshall Islands. Now, here's the biggest thing you need to know up front. Stockity is not regulated by any financial authority. That means there's no official oversight and very limited protection if something goes wrong, which already makes it a higher risk platform. On the positive side, Stockity does offer a clean, user-friendly mobile app on both Android and iOS, plus a demo account with over $10,000 in virtual funds, which is useful for practice. It also has multiple account tiers with bonuses, faster withdrawals, and high return claims, but be careful because very high bonuses and return promises are often red flags, especially on unregulated platforms. Stockity supports deposits and withdrawals via e-wallets, crypto, and bank transfers, and they advertise 24/7 support. The real reliability can vary. So what's the bottom line here? Stockity may look appealing with its low entry point and demo trading, but the lack of regulation makes it risky. If you're curious, it's best used for demo trading only, not serious investing. That's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.